Good morning everybody, it is the 29th of December and I'm back in the container. As you can see, weather is, I quite like it actually, it's quite nice. But the purpose of today's video is to give you an update as to why there's been such a big gap between my last video and this one. I have done a couple of bits, namely the electrics, which I'll show you in a sec. But the main reason is because the windows and doors have been held up. Because of COVID, there's been some issues with the UPVC windows being manufactured. So they're normally on a sort of a couple of weeks lead time. But in my instance, they've been on about an 8-week lead time. It's been a bit of a joke really. I think I would have got them a couple of weeks ago, but in the run up to Christmas, everyone sort of bailed. So what can you do? So I'll show you what I've done. So one of the main things is I've started applying a coat of container paint, specialist container paint. Here it is. Everest, I bought it online. It was about 100 quid for the tin. I've hardly used any of it to give that a coat. It's obviously still got to do the roof. Got the end to do to finish off, and then the back. We had some horrendous winds that's blown my awning down, so that's why I'm out here today trying to fix it. The other thing we've done is, you'll notice there's a little cable under there, but excuse the mess because obviously it's a development. But we've taken the power into my distribution board through there. I'll explain about the brickwork another time, but just bear with me. Mains cable runs along below ground and it comes up out here and goes up through the floor there, which is sealed. And then as we come inside, I've got my distribution board up the top. You can see where it comes up in through the stud, up through the stud into the board. I've got my mains breaker, and then I've got my individual circuit breakers. So I've got small power in at the moment, and have one for lighting. I'll probably tie the ventilation, the mechanical vent into that. As I say, I've got the small power lighting. I'm gonna have one for the heater, and I'm gonna have another one for, I think maybe another small power circuit, maybe for some lighting, some other lighting. So the plan now is to get this place buttoned up. I need to get these doors in. Hopefully they'll be in the next week or so. Once they're in, I just need to just verify before I start boarding anything up that I have 100% got it watertight and there's no little leaks anywhere. Obviously at the moment, you can see we had a massive downpour the other day, and fortunately it gets stuck in these little grooves. The water doesn't, it just tracks all the way down, which is a bit unfortunate, but I have got the treated timber on the floor down the bottom, so can't complain. And that's going to be my view from my desk when it's finished. Be quite nice, won't it? So just want to say thank you for watching. All my 36 subscribers. This is amazing. I've gone viral. And also, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully we can be COVID free by the end of 2021. Love you lots. Bye bye.